I predict you're going to love this one. It's called Lovely Day, and it has just a beautiful collection of pastel colors. This is from our friends at Mintay. They are all 12 by 12. I'll show you each of the 12 papers you're going to get, but we're going to start with the back of the cover sheet, and there you get beautiful cutouts. Aren't those gorgeous? And in total, there are 48 cutouts in this collection. So you're going to get papers that are all over prints, and I think this is just absolutely lovely. Plus, the back side is also printed, so you get coordinating. Here are some florals in a little bit larger design, and on the back side, lovely yellow. Here we have an oval or circle wreath going back, and if you are a scrapbooker, you're probably going to put your photo here, maybe some here, maybe some journaling. Card makers, think in terms of quarters. So a quarter here, you can do another card here, another card right there, and another card right there also, so 4 out of every single sheet. And then you can use the back side if you would like to. That's there for you too. Here we have, oh, isn't that pretty? Oh, just gorgeous. And on the back side, we've got some wood, so popular these days. Isn't this just sweet? Beautiful, beautiful colors, and a pink on the back. And now we have more of the cutouts. So in total, 48 color cutouts in this collection and 12 sheets, all of which I've shown you, 2 of each. And this is called Lovely Day. And may you have a lovely day.